Hello, and in today we are going to do something more amazing. We're going to convert text to audio using Python and see how Python is great. Okay, so the first thing that we do is that we install this package. You install pip install pyttsx3. This is the Python package that enables you to convert text to audio. So for me, I won't install because I had already done that. Okay, after you have installed your package, you import that package. You import pyttsx3 like that, and then we shall write a function. We shall write a function that we shall call so that we convert our text to speech. So when we name this function def text to underscore speech, in this function we shall pass in the parameters that we are going to use to convert the text to speech. The first parameter that I'm going to pass in is the text that we want to be converted. The second parameter is the rate, which I'm going to set it to 150. The third parameter is voice the voice underscore index. Normally, the voice index is what enables you to choose the type of voice that you want. 0 means a male, and 1 means a female. So voice index. For this case, I'm going to try with 1. And finally, we can also add the volume. This, let me say 100, and maybe we want to save the audio, so I shall say output underscore file is equals to output dot mp3. Then after that, we initialize the module. So I shall say pyttsx3 dot init. So that is how we initialize it. And I'm gonna save this one in a variable called engine. Okay. Then I want to use a try and catch block, a try and except block, so that we try to catch any errors that happens as we run this program. So let me just write try. Okay. And then let me get the voices engine dot get property the voices. Okay. Then I'm going to check if uh the I'm going to ensure that the voice index here is always not greater than the length of the voices that we have, so that one cannot put in a voice index to be 2 or 3. It won't work. So I will say if voice index voice underscore index is greater than the length of voices, the length of voices, which are we can print a voice index out of range like that. Backspace. Then after that, we are going to set the properties of the voice that we are going to produce. The way we do that is that we shall say engine dot set property set pro property. We can start with the voice, then we press the voice and the voice index to the voice index that we provided for that case. Like that, then engine dot set property the rate, then we put in the rate that we provided. Then we had the volume engine dot set. Remember, all of this is written in pyttsx3 documentation. You can follow along. Okay. And then finally, we want this engine to say the text that we are going to provide. So engine dot say then the text here. Then finally engine dot run and wait. Okay. Remember we had provided an output file if you want to save the generated audio. So you can say engine dot save file. Engine dot save underscore to file. Then we pass in the output file. Output underscore file like this. Now we don't want to catch any error, so we shall use an except block. We shall say except error as error, then exception. Then you shall print the kasi Hi, Python. Python is very cool. Do you know why Python developers use mm, spectacles? It's because they can't see. They can't see. They can't try to see. Then another parameter that we're gonna add is the output file. The output, so I can say output. Or I had already provided that, so I won't repeat. I won't repeat that one. Yeah, text right. Yeah, let's try this one out.
Do you know why Python developers use spectacles? Because they can't see.